Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an AI tool which has many writing templates, and also it will provide some free plans for limited words to access all the templates. So let us go on to today's video and explore what are the different templates available in the AI tool, and also we will explore how the templates works out for our research paper writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct a comprehensive Matlab workshop from basics to advanced application. In this workshop, we are going to explore Matlab environment, and also we are going to discuss about different syntaxes, 2D, 3D plotting in Matlab, and also we are going to explore different types of toolbox available in this Simulink, that is ANFIS toolbox, neural network and fuzzy logic toolbox, and also we are going to make a live PID tuning controller to get desired output for your application. These are the important basic things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So if you are interested in Matlab basics, so don't forget to register this online workshop. Surely this will provide a great idea about how to use Matlab basically. So don't forget to register this workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is the Textr AI. So it is a AI tool which is having different types of templates. So in this you will be having two options. Click on AI templates. So here you can see these are the different AI templates here. So all templates are available. So as far as section wise, it is having articles and blogs, business, social media, general writing, ads and marketing. So like that, different templates are available. So we will explore that one by one. So first we will start out with this, that is templates: article writing, blog section writing, article intro writing, brand name, business idea pitch, business name. These are all related with social media plans, that is Facebook ads, Twitter ads, LinkedIn ads. Next, this is about product description, Amazon product, etc. Next, here you can see landing pages and website copy. You can write testimonials also. So this is related with post, that is LinkedIn post, Instagram captions, etc. So next one, here you can see formal email. So you can send formal and create formal and informal email using this AI tool. So next you can see create your own use case, rap generator, interview questions. So these are the important templates where you can access for free. So we will start out with this article writer. So let us see how it will generate content for us. Click on article writer. So here you can see the variants need. So in this I am going to click one. So language you can select here you will be having different languages: English, Hindi, Spanish and French. So I am going to select English. So you can select the tone. There are different formal tones, informal tones are available. So here you can see I am going to give formal. So after that you can give your own title. So for example, I am going to give grid connected PV system for electric vehicle charging station. So like that I am going to give a title. So in that I am going to give keywords like grid, next PV system, next electric vehicle, next I am going to give charging station. So these are the important keywords I am going to give. So after that you can click submit. So let us see how it will works out. It will take several seconds to generate. Yes, here a brief introduction of that particular topic we have given in generator. So how this content can be useful for our research paper writing, that is that if you are struggling to write a general introduction or general content for your research paper, so you may copy and paste from any of the papers you have dealt with, or any of the articles you can deal with, so or any of the blogs. So in order to create a fresh and unique content as an introduction for your research paper, so you can use this kind of common text generator AI tools. So thereby you can get a new and fresh content. So thereby you can use this content as an introduction for your research paper or general content for your research paper. So like that you can get a unique content. So probably you may use content from any of the blogs or already published paper, and then you can paraphrase. So even if you paraphrase like that, you cannot get the better quality content. So in order to get a better quality content, so you can use this kind of tools to generate a better quality content as your introduction. So here you can see, with the rise of electric vehicles in recent years, the need for efficient and sustainable charging solution has become more pressing. One such solution is the grid connected PV system, which utilizes solar energy to charge EV charging station. In this article, we will explore the benefits and working of this innovative system. So here from starting, it will explain about the grid connected system and the importance of EV charging station. So in rural areas, so like that, it has generated the content. So you can make use of this option to generate a unique and fresh content. So here you will be having an option. So in this, you can download the content here. So by clicking the option, it will be downloaded in a Word file. So thereby you can get the content in a Word file. So you can edit whatever you want. So this is the content you can generate. So like that, you can make use of this option to generate content using this Textr AI. So let us explore with some other template. So here, this is whole article. So if you want a intro, so you can click on this article intro writer. So in this, I am going to select the language. Again, I am going to select the tone as tone as formal. So after that, you can give the title, Machine Learning Algorithms to obtain maximum power from PV array. So this is the thing I am going to give. Next, I am going to give PV array MPPT machine learning. So like that, I am going to give some keywords. So after that, you can click in submit. So let us see how it will generate introduction. So here you can see a perfect introduction for research paper is generated. So in today's world, renewable energy sources has become increasingly important in mitigating the effects of climate change. Among these sources, solar energy has gained widespread popularity due to its clean and abundant nature. So however, the efficiency of solar panels, specifically PV arrays, is highly dependent on external factors such as weather condition and shading. To tackle these issues, researchers have turned to machine learning algorithms to optimize the performance of PV arrays and achieve maximum power output. In this article, we will explore how machine learning algorithm, specifically MPPT techniques, are revolutionizing the way we obtain maximum power from PV arrays. So this will be one of the better introduction. So after, you can copy and paste this content, you can continue on your literature review part. So it will help you to write literature review very better. So the important thing in this paper after abstract is that how you forecasting or how you showcasing the problem you have taken. So in this, you can give any numerical data like this, the renewable energy usage, how the renewable energy usage in future will be. You can show some statistical data from the government organization. So like that, you can show, or you can give any table regarding the usage of renewable energy in the that is in the current trend and future, how it will be. So like that, you can showcase the introduction. So after, you can go to your point, that is the point, the objective, what we are going to discuss. So after that, you can make a literature review. So and you can make a problem statement and you can justify the problem using your research objective. So this is how you have to formulate and start a research paper writing. So the introduction is very, very important in research paper writing. So make sure that the introduction always attracts the reviewer and the editor. So thereby they will further go for the further proceedings of the paper will be very easy. So this is all about this intro writer. So like that, you can explore the different templates available. So blog section writing, you can write the blog section. If you want the introduction or a subtopic general content, so you can use this kind of blog section writing also. So apart from this, you will be having different templates available. So here you can use this different templates to create your own content. So make use of this option to write a better introduction for your research paper using this AI tool, Textr AI. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.